Hey guys, I'm really excited to unbox today this mystery box from the Hot Wheels, which contains 50 different models from Hot Wheels, any model, and I'm excited to see which models I received in this box. So let's get started. So here is an overlook for this. Now let me take out one by one. So the first car which I received is Hot Wheels Art Car High Roller 2. The second car is 1975 Datsun truck. It's shiny. The third vehicle is the Venster. The fourth one is Roger Dodger. It's Dodge car. This one. The fifth car is Ram 1500, black color. Sixth car is Brazilian Dodge Charger, pink and white color with embossed 25 number on it. 7, it's punk rod, nothing so special, fancy looking car. Number 8, Ford Mustang 2020 Shelby GT500. Number 9, let's see, Chevy Camaro RS70, golden color. Number 10, Gordon Murray Automotive T33, silver color. Number 11, it's Chevy Blazer 4x4 SUV truck, very nice. Number 12, it's Lamborghini Moira SV, red color, very nice looking vintage car. Number 13, it's 70 Plymouth Superbird, yellow color, if you remember this car. Number 14, it's Toyota GR86 Cup, orange color, very nice looking car. 15, it's a buggy, Dune buggy, white color. Number 16, it's Twin Mill Gen E, some EV car or some concept design car. Number 17, Later Crater, again I think it's a concept Dune buggy car, something like this. Number 18, it's a hot rod, mid-mill, fancy looking car. Number 19, it's Hako Type D, yeah, it's a Japanese edition, very nice looking car. Number 20, oh, it's a Formula 1 car from Red Bull, very nice Oracle Red Bull Racing Formula 1 car, very nice looking car, I really like this one. 21, it's a hot dog car, fancy looking for kids. Number 22, El Viento, again it's a concept car, very nice looking. With 23, oh, it's a Porsche 911 GT3, very nice, black color. 24, it's a stock car, it's orange color, full translucent body, just fancy looking car. 25, it's a hot rod, cruise bruiser, very nice jumping car, front elevated, pink color. Number 26, Monty Racer, purple color, fancy looking race car. Number 27, it's Crescendo, it's a very nice pink and blue, light blue combination for the race car. Number 28, the name Road Squad, it's an armored looking army kind of car, open wheels. 29, it's EV, purple color, very nice EV. 30, oh, it's really nice looking white and blue hot rod model, high roller, long car, good color combination, nice looking model. 31, Gotta Go, open wheels hot rod kind of car with open cabin backside, orange and black color. 32, Roadster car, very nice looking race car. 33, it's a donut car for kids, very nice, cute little donut. 34, it's a Corvette Racer, kind of a Night Rider car, but white and red color, very nice looking. 35, it's a Dodge Power Wagon monster truck, it's a Dodge Power Wagon truck, very nice, big wheels, green color. 36, it's a Street Shrieker, I think concept design again, a snake skin kind of body paint on the top and orange color on the bottom. 37, Hauler Back, it's a tow truck, yellow color, racer type. 38. Oh, it's a very low rider bus, you can see. 39. Jaguar MK1, very nice looking car, dark maroon color, open windows, old model of Jaguar. 40. It's a Ford Maverick Custom 22 truck, yellow color. 41. It's a Hot Wheel drag race supercharger car, blue color, very super looking car. 42. It's a Mazda Repu pickup truck from Mazda, golden accent. I got one more golden truck before. 43. It's Cadillac Project GPT hypercar, yellow color from Cadillac hypercar, long model. 44. It's Silverado EV RST from Chevrolet, silver and black color, very nice looking car. 45. It's aerodynamic open wheels F1 style concept car from Hot Wheels. 46. Maserati Shamal, an old car from Maserati, red color, vintage car, very nice. 47. It's Mazda MX-5 Miata, red and black color. 48. It's 99 Ford 150 SVT lighting. It's Ford truck, black color with some accent on it. 49. Oh, it's Porsche 904 Carrera GTS, old looking car, very nice, light yellow color with black accent. And last, 50. It's a Mercedes-Benz 500e 1990s model, vintage car again from Mercedes-Benz, very nice black looking car. So this is it for now. Let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this, and I will unbox more surprise mystery box from Hot Wheels for you. See you.